Hello students, all is well. In this session we will discuss about the important rulers of medieval dynasty and the important campaigns led by them but through the map. So here we will do the map study of medieval India. Students, in the Mughal Empire we had discussed about so many rulers. So step by step we will discuss here the expansion of rulers and their campaign. Let's start with the first and the important ruler named Babur. Students, here is a map of India. So first we will see the invasion of Babur. Babur, as he was ascended on the throne of Delhi. So students, here is a place called Delhi. Delhi is a part of India. It is also known as Union Territory and it was a part of northern India. So first he was ascended over the throne of Delhi and he also gradually annexed the place called Punjab. Here is a place called Punjab, which was successfully annexed by Babur. Punjab was the part of northwestern part of India. Punjab is a part of northwestern part of India. Now next place was annexed by Babur, Bihar. Bihar is the state which lies between the Uttar Pradesh and Bengal. About the location of Bihar, it lies between West Bengal in the east and Uttar Pradesh in the west. Now next ruler after the Babur was Humayun. He was successfully conquered the region called Malwa. About Malwa, it is a part of a central India. It is a part of Madhya Pradesh. You know, our state name is also Madhya Pradesh. So Malwa is a part of Madhya Pradesh, and other important place was captured by Humayun. Gujarat. Gujarat is a state which lies in the western part of India, or you can say that it is the westernmost state of India. It shares border with MP. Now let's see another important ruler who gained lots of importance in Indian history, known as Akbar. You know students, Akbar led so many battles, but the famous battle was fought between Akbar and Humayun was known as Second Battle of Panipat. So let's find out where is Panipat. So here is Panipat. Here is Panipat, nearby Delhi. About Panipat, it is also a part of northern India. And it is a part of a state called Haryana. Apart from that, Akbar easily captured the Amer. Now Amer is a part of Rajasthan, and Rajasthan is the state located in the western part of India. Next one was captured by Akbar, Bengal, West Bengal. It is the state in the eastern region. So these were the important invasion led by Akbar. Now next one is that Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan controlled the part called Deccan, Ahmednagar, Bijapur and Golconda. Let's discuss about one by one. Ahmednagar is in the district of Maharashtra. Here is Ahmednagar. I'll show you. Here is Ahmednagar. It is a part of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state. And second one is that Golconda. Golconda is the part of Hyderabad. And third important place was invaded by Shah Jahan, known as Bijapur. Bijapur is the part of Karnataka state. Karnataka is the state of south. And about the Deccan, this whole part is known as the Deccan part of India. It was captured by Shah Jahan and fulfilled the dream of Mughal dynasty, and at last the very important ruler known as Aurangzeb. Who was the most important ruler here? The last ruler, Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb was also known as Living Son Zinda Peer. He was ascended the throne of Delhi in AD 1658. Here is a Delhi. Once again I am telling you Delhi, and later he was controlled the entire India. It stretched from north to south. It stretched from Kashmir to Karnataka. He was easily controlled the entire India. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you and have a nice day.